Welcome to a realm where your words turn into stunning visuals. Discover how VO, SORA, and Kling AI work in harmony with ElevenLabs. First up, VO. This tool crafts incredible scenes using the power of your narrative, making every word count. Next, we have SORA. SORA can analyze your text and generate captivating animations to visually narrate your story. Now, meet Kling AI. This tool refines your video with precise editing, ensuring smooth transitions and a cinematic feel. Combining these tools unleashes creativity like never before, propelling your storytelling into new dimensions. Turn your ideas into stunning videos today. Let AI do the magic while you focus on your story. With VO, SORA, and Kling AI in ElevenLabs, your words can dance, speak, and shine like never before. Imagine the impact of your visual storytelling. Engage audiences with rich, stunning visuals. Ready to elevate your projects? Start today and transform your storytelling with ease. Visit us at ElevenLabs and unlock your creativity. The future of video creation is here. Join our community of creators and share your stunning videos with the world. Don't miss out! Let's transform your text into visual masterpieces together.